Good afternoon, children. Welcome to K.R. Lakkam Memorial CBSE School, Mudur, for today online classes. Now, children, in previous classes, we discussed about the animals like wild animal, domestic animal, and water animal. Which animals lives in a forest or jungle? That animals we called wild animal. Okay. For example, elephant, tiger, lion, deer, like this, children. These are all wild animals. Now, which animals lives in a home? That is called a domestic animal or farm animal, like buffalo, cow, goat, hen, okay, duck. These are all domestic animal. Okay. Now, same to you, children. Which animals lives in the water? Which animals lives in the water? That animals we called water animal. For example, fish. Fish lives in the water. Okay, and jellyfish, starfish, okay, and turtle, shark, whale. These are all water animals. Now, today we are going to teach about the exercise. Okay, exercise. Open your textbook, page number 151. Open your textbook 151. Look at here. Look at here, children. 151. 151. What to do? First question. Circle the insects you see around your home. Circle the insects you see around your home. First one, they will give three pictures here. Cockroach, ladybird, deer. Cockroach, ladybird and deer. What to do? Only you circle you see around your home. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಮೇ ಐ ನೋ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚ್ ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಯು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ದ ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ದ ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಇನ್ ಅ ಜೂ. ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ದ ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಜೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ರೈನೋ, ಮೌಸ್, ಜಿರಾಫೆ. ರೈನೋ, ಮೌಸ್, ಜಿರಾಫೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಇನ್ ಅ ಜೂ? ಯಸ್, ರೈನೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜಿರಾಫೆ. ಯು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ದ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್. Only circle the birds. Okay, owl, sparrow, horse. Horse is a bird. Horse is a bird or animal? Yes, horse is a animal. And owl and sparrows are the birds. So you circle owl and sparrow. And last question, circle the water animal. Circle the water animal. First one, peacock, whale, starfish. Okay, I will tell you in last class the water animals, which are in the water animals. Whale, starfish, fish, like this. They will give here three animals like peacock, whale and starfish. Only you circle the water animal. Tell me water animal. Yes, whale and starfish. These two animals are water animals. So you circle these two animals, this one and this one. Okay, children. Now what to do next? Okay, you do this work only. Okay, once again read which are the water animal, which are the wild animal and domestic animal and birds, insects also. Okay, you first see and read. After you circle the following questions. Okay, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, 1 2 3 4 ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ 4 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಯು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಕಾಪಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಟು ಮೈ ನಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಫೋರ್ you are going to doing this work, before you read the what are the wild animals, domestic animals, birds, insects also. Okay, and you after you do this work. Okay. Now children, today class was completed. Next class I will tell you